I've just dropped my wife off into her job in the city centre. It's Valentine's weekend, but my wife said she doesn't mind if I go away for the weekend fishing. It's bitterly cold and miserable, and I'm leaving the city. I must be crazy going under Waterville. There's still snow all over the mountains. It's the earliest I've ever been down in Waterville for a weekend fishing. I must get a few supplies. Milk, sausages, Clonakilty's finest, and Clonakilty rashers. I've been eating that little fella tonight, and I've been eating this fella. Very important. That's Darien, and it hasn't stopped raining all day. I'm going to have to put on a small lead shot and a little fly that I don't care about. And I must look for an old worm along the bank, lift up a few stones and find a worm, and we'll cast it out. And while we're putting up our tent, maybe we may catch a trout, a beautiful trout for the frying pan. There's a worm. Come up, you bugger. That's one. We'll keep looking. My wife bought me new batteries for my pump up bed. She's very, very thoughtful. I can open the bloody things. My hands are frozen, and it didn't stop raining all day. Let's hope it works. Yay. Perfect. Hey. You can dry your hair with that. Let's see, do we catch a fish for the tea tonight? I just noticed this red bag. My wife is after putting that there for me. What has she done now? She's trying to get me a lovely new t-shirt. John Russia. I like John Russia. I'll put that on, I go into bed. Hang on, there's more in the bag. Look, she'll have to buy me a pair of underpants with love hearts on them for Valentine's Day. I'll have to wear them. There's one more thing in the bag. She'll have to buy me little love heart sweets. I tell you, she's a great woman. A brilliant wife. I'll keep her for another Valentine's Day. And a card. But I'll read that myself. Thank you. I filled this bottle up this morning with pure virgin olive oil, and I don't know how that bottle was empty since last year, and somehow it's after going hard. I don't know how, unless it's so bloody cold. It's so cold, it's after freezing. It's so cold, it's after freezing. I don't know how I'm going to fry my bloody food. That's another puzzle. How am I going to get this out of there? I've never ever seen that happening before. Ever. Ever. This is messy. I'll do. Maybe if I heat it a bit, it might start to melt. This is getting very messy. Very unprofessional. very unprofessional. I'm like an amateur today. I'll tell you how cold it is. It's after freezing up my virgin oil. I'll try and heat it a little bit. I just hope the glass doesn't break. If the glass breaks, I'm in trouble. Just a tiny little bit of heat. That I might slip down the bottle to the lid. It's like the bloody ketchup ad. That's right, now. We'll have to use butter. And you guessed it, I didn't catch any trout. They're all sleeping. So, it's a couple of sausages. It's so wet. I have to keep the rain off my frying pan. I want fried sausages, not boiled sausages. We won't bother with the cup of tea. We'll go straight for the beer. And we'll have plenty of Jameson. And we won't die of the cold. Lovely jubbly. Didn't stop raining all day. It's absolutely miserable. Miserable. My little forks after breaking. I had that fork years. So it's time to get a new fork. Nothing lasts forever in this world. I prefer to be the trout now, but trying to kill these sausages are second best. But they're absolutely gorgeous as well. Hey! Hey! I don't believe it. I nearly went to it. I nearly forgot my rod, and I remembered the last second. And I caught a lovely trout. I'll have him for my tea tonight. Woohoo!